here are the items that we will be needing, guys. First, this is a plastic cover, and this will act as the bag. I have printed as well a 2020 Happy New Year kisses. It doesn't read that much because her printer is low on toner, but yeah, that might work. I have something here to poke holes in here because I couldn't find my puncher. And I have a scissor, I have a string to wrap it around, and the kisses with candies and this coin candy. First thing is to lay the 12 by 14 plastic cover and put the candies. Then to wrap it, we get the other side and then across of that, then get another one. I don't know if you can see that clearly, but it's just like that. And then grab it like that and put a tie. Okay, like that. And then on the front side we will put the tag, this one there, and make a knot. Then next, a ribbon. And that's it. We already have a Kisses goodie bag.